Welcome back to my channel, Kings and Queens. So today is another video of unboxing some trainers that I've got another pair of my Air Force 1's. So in my previous video I showed you guys my Air Force 1's that were white and red with a red tick, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my other pair of Air Force 1's that are all grey. And without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So these are the trainers. This is the box that it comes in. It's different for from the usual kind of trainers you get, because obviously you usually get like the red box or like an orange box or something, but these are plain grey, and then they've literally just got the logo on the front. So these are what the trainers look like. So they are just all grey, nice little sway going on, and then the ticks are just like a kind of like highlighted grey, so they kind of stand out, but they're not reflective or anything though. They're literally just there for like a nice little decoration. And then at the bottom for the sole, it's nice and white, a nice chunky sole as well, and it's also got the Nike at the side as well over there. And at the front they've got the same normal breath holes at the front, and then the laces as well are grey as well. So it's literally like everything is grey on this shoe, and I really like it. Obviously grey is my favourite colour, so these were definitely something that I wanted. And also I don't have like a pair of plain grey trainers, so these were definitely something that I wanted to get. So like I said in my previous video, Air Forces are just very like basic. They're just very the type of trainers that you just need. You can just throw them on. They come in like lots of basic type of colors, so that's why they're kind of essentials, at least in my opinion. So these are just another pair of essential trainers that I think that are really good for your wardrobe as well. Nice and grey. Grey goes with everything. Also inside they have the logo as well, the Nike logo, and then they also have it as well on the tongue at the front in gold, which is a really nice little touch because it just blings it out a little bit. And also at the back as well, they've got like it again nicely in gold. So altogether this shoe is just like really simple, but it's just really cute. It's really nice. It's really basic, but it's really like a cool shoe to have in your wardrobe. So now I'm gonna try on these shoes for you guys and then tell you how they feel and all that type of stuff. So let's go. So the Air Forces are really comfortable. This is definitely, since I now have like two pairs of them, it's definitely something that like I've noticed. They are really comfortable. It feels like really springy, really spongy, like it feels really soft when your feet are in it. It's a really comfortable shoe because it does have like a big, like a chunky kind of sole at the bottom. Like I've said as well, my other pair, like they don't feel heavy on the feet though. They still feel really light. They don't feel clunky or anything. So that is basically everything to do with this shoe. Like I said, it is, you know, basic. It is really cool. It is really nice. But yeah, that is basically the Air Force 1's in grey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also you can check out my trainer playlist as well that I'll put in the card over here or over here, and I'll also put it in my description box as well for you, so you can check out all my other trainer reviews. But obviously don't forget to like this video so I know you liked it, and obviously subscribe because, you know, it helps me. And don't forget to also comment down below if you liked these trainers as well, and if there's something you would actually buy or consider. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.